container kill or Docker kill command is one of the essential commands in the Docker container management. Okay? Docker kill command is used to immediately stop one or more running containers by sending a specified signal. The default signal is the default signal is SIG kill. This is the default signal. This is different from Docker stop, which attempts to gracefully stop the container. Okay, let's see the syntax of Docker container kill or Docker kill. Okay, Docker kill. The syntax is Docker kill and then specify options. After that, specify the container name or ID, name or ID. Okay, this is the syntax for Docker kill or Docker container kill command. Okay, here we can pass hyphen hyphen signal. Okay, hyphen signal or hyphen s option to Docker kill command to specify the signal to send to the container. As I said earlier, the default signal is SIG kill. The default signal is SIG kill. Okay, this is the default signal. Let's say if you want to specify other signal, then you should use hyphen signal option or hyphen s option to pass another signal to the container while killing or while stopping the container. This is about Docker kill command syntax and then options which we can use while using Docker kill command. Now let's see some example usages. We have we have a couple of containers, few containers running inside our Docker. So this is the here I actually used hyphen format to get the output in different way, that is in table format with having ID, name and status of containers. That's it. Okay. Now let's say if I want to if I want to kill if I want to kill specific container, the command is Docker kill and then we can pass either the name or ID of the container. Okay, let's say if I pass this name, and then press enter, this immediately stops the container named sleepy, okay, named sleepy node, and then using the signal SIG kill signal. Okay, now let's press enter. Okay, now see, now this container got killed or stopped. Now let's check the status whether it stopped or not. If you use this command, if you see here, it exited 8 seconds ago. Okay, this is about killing a specific container, that is stopping a specific container using Docker kill command. Docker kill command. Now let's say if you want to kill multiple containers, the command is Docker kill and then we can specify the IDs or names. Okay, and then we can specify IDs or names separated by space. Okay, IDs or names separated by space. Now if I press enter here, this stops both of these containers. Okay, let's see. Now let's run the command to see the status whether both of them got stopped or not. If you see here, both the containers got stopped. Okay, this is about stopping or using kill command to stop multiple containers. Now let's say if you want to send a specific signal to the container. Okay, instead of the default SIG kill signal, if you want to send another signal, for example SIG terminate, SIGTERM. Okay, if you want to send this signal, you can use docker kill hyphen signal equals to SIGTERM and then specify the container name or ID. Okay, name or ID. In this way, you can stop a container using another signal instead of default signal, that is SIGKILL. Okay, when we run this command, this sends the SIGTERM signal to the container. Okay, to the container to stop it gracefully. If the container can handles the signal, if the container can handles that signal. Okay, this is about stopping containers using the another signal instead of default signal. Now let's say if you want to stop, or kill all running containers, then the command is docker kill, and then you can pass one more command, that is docker ps hyphen q q. Here this command retrieves all the IDs of containers running inside docker and then pass them to docker kill command, which will kill or stop all the containers. Okay, let me show you example for this. Before that, all of our containers are stopped at present, so let me start them. Okay, docker to start the commands, docker start, and then you can pass the ID or name. Okay, let me pass ID and then bring them back up so that we can use docker kill command to stop all of them at a time. Okay, now let's wait to start the containers before we use docker kill to stop all the containers at a time. Okay, enter. Now this takes some time. Okay, to bring them all up. Now all of our containers are up now. Let's see before using docker kill command. Okay, if you see here, all the containers are up now. All the containers are up now. Now use docker kill and then specify the command to pass all the container IDs to docker kill. Now if I press enter here, this command kills all running containers by passing their IDs to the docker container kill command. Okay, now let's press enter. Wait for some time. Now all of our 3 containers got stopped. Let's see the status now. You see here, all of our containers got stopped using the docker kill command at a time. Okay, this is about stopping all running containers using docker container kill command. Okay, so docker kill command only works on running containers. Okay, for stopped containers, we should use docker rm to remove them. Okay, this is about docker container kill or docker kill command. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for notifications and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.